Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at on how to create a self-assignable reaction roles. Okay, so as you can see here, self-assigning or self-reacting roles are basically when you click on something. For example, I have no roles assigned to myself in my example server, and if I click on this, and now I can see that I have a role assigned to myself. Now roles basically help you guys get into it helps other people see some of the similarities or differences they have in between each other so that they can communicate and maybe like get to know one another better. Okay, so that's what we're going to exactly do, and we're going to invite Carlbot in order to help us out with this. Okay, so first off, you want to go to your server, and let's go to carl.gg in order to invite him. So let's go there. And once I get to the website, I want to invite him into our server. So how do I do that? I want to go to the top left hand corner and click the plus button, invite. And then you want to let Scarbot let permission into your, or like let him into your server. So how do you do that? You want to go over to the server that you want him in. I want in my TechGenius server, and then click continue. Now once you have, you'll see a bunch of permissions that you guys can access and decline. So I'm going to let all of my permissions be allowable and authorize my Carlbot. Then you want to click that you're not a robot, because I'm pretty sure you guys were not. Then you guys may close out of the window. So next thing you want to do is go back to Discord, discord.com, discord.com. So once you get there, you will go back to your server and you will see that Carlbot he's in your server right now. Okay. So few things before we actually start like activating Carlbot to self-assignable roles. So a few things we have to do is give Carlbot his highest priority. So in order to do that, you want to go to server settings and then click on roles. Then make sure that Carlbot is on top of everyone else. He needs this priority in order to actually manage and give other people roles. Then you also want to make sure you guys create other roles like AP Computer Science A and AP Computer Science Principles. For example, in my server, I have created due to my channel being a tech. And so, yeah. So, now two more things quickly we need to do before we actually have Carlbot activate is that we need to create a private channel and we need to create an actual roles channel. So, first, let's create a roles channel where people can actually access their roles. And then let's also create an admin only channel, which this will be private because I only want me and Carlbot to be in there. So let me access all the admins and Carlbot. Once we're done that, say create channel, and then there we have it. We have Carlbot invited into our channel. You guys only will see the admins and Carlbot only. So here's where the real, I don't know if it's programming, like a real activation where you guys give commands to the bot and let it activate and let it create the roles. So let's take a look at how to do that. So really quickly, if you guys haven't created your roles yet, make sure to have that in so that if you guys take too long to, respond to Carlbot, it will disappear. So make sure then you have to restart the whole process. So make sure you guys have all your roles assigned and created already. So I did that and I have everything set. So if you need help on creating and assigning roles, you can check out my previous video, which I'll link in the I or the description below so you guys can check it out. So we are gonna type in a few commands. So the first command is gonna be exclamation RR space and then make. Once I create that, you can see that Carlbot has been activated. Okay, so next thing you'll want to say which channel would your message like to be in. So I want to click in, I want to have it in my hashtag roles channel. Once I do that, I type it in, and then it gives me another command. It's like, all right, this channel is roles. What do you want to say? So like message. So what do you want your message to be? So I want to create roles, and then I want to put in, please select your role. Okay. Once I type that in, I don't want any of the hex codes, so I want to say none. Once I create that, these things are pretty quick. I'll leave a documentation in the description below, and I will leave all of these commands so that you guys can, step by step go through everything. So once you have created this, you want to do this pretty quickly because Carlbot does. So I'm gonna have one of them for AP Computer Science. Okay. And you want to type the exact words. So, for example, capitalization and all of that matters here. So, you want to type in the same exact thing you had it in your roles. So, click enter. And then I want to type in one for AP CSP and then add that. So, you see that two of my roles are being generated. Now, here's the thing. So, Carlbot takes up to 3 minutes to get all of those roles inside your hashtag roles or the channel where you want your roles to be in. And so while we're waiting for the 3 minutes, we can go and say these roles, message these roles in hashtag roles. Okay, so I want to have the same icons, so I can just copy and paste. So I can just copy and paste for AP Computer Science A and AP Computer Science Principles. So once you see those check marks there, you'll see that Carlbot is working towards activating them and putting them inside your channel that you want it to be in. So in meantime, we just wrote these down so that our audiences or server members can know what these certain roles mean or these certain icons mean. So once Carlbot gives me a message, I can go back and just assign roles to myself. Okay, so once that message is there, I'll restart my video. Okay. So now that I see that Carlbot has responded, so this is a good thing. So Carlbot created two reaction roles. So one for APCSA and one for APCSP. Okay. So now if I click over to my roles channel, this is it. So basically you guys can click on the role that you guys want to choose. So just basically set an icon and an emoji. So for example, if I took both of these classes, so I took AP Computer Science A, and then I took AP Computer Science Principles. So both of these. So if I click now over to my profile, I can see both of these things being assigned to myself. So that is it with how to create your own reaction roles and how to have Carlbot. So you guys have your first bot inside your server. So congratulations for doing that. And so in our next video, we'll be learning how to invite Music Bot into our channel. So until then, stay tuned, guys, and stay safe. Corona and all. But until then, see you guys next time. Thank you.